Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can move your big plants and grow a garden. So as you can see, I cannot move my Romanesco plant, and I really want to move it to the back so it's easier for me to access everything up here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab a bench. I already put it like this, but you're going to basically grab a bench, and then you're just going to kind of move it so it's like, oh, hold on. You're going to move it so it's like sideways to the plant like that. Oh my gosh, okay. And then you're going to want to, whoops, rotated it the wrong way. Rotate it so like this part is inside of the plant. So when like you peep your head in there, you're able to see part of the plant. You'll see later what I mean. You can also drag it so it's like facing downwards to the ground. Then you're going to want to sit on that bench. Okay, not this part maybe. Okay. Actually, yeah, that part. And then you're going to want to jump. And as you can see, I am now inside of the plant. Look. Oh, wait. Am I already inside or am I still outside? What's going on? Okay. Grab your trowel and like find an area where you can select the plant. Okay. Hold on. Let me just get out first. Let me just remove this bench first because I didn't use this last time. So let me just put that back. Okay, not here, up here. Okay. Here, as you can see, I kind of can press on the plant here. And as you can see, now I can finally move my Romanesco, finally. And I'm just going to move it to the back here so that I'll have more space up front. I'm just going to place it here, like that. And that is how you can move a big plant in your garden. It is a little bit tedious, I must say. It took me like a few tries. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.